We interrupt the President's State of the Union address to bring you this emergency alert.
Hello, this is John, Multiplex. The blizzard that has been hitting Chicago for the past few hours is now heading towards Valparaiso, Indiana. We urge citizens to stay indoors and not brave the storm. I will now send you over to Amy Freeze, who is in Chicago right now, reporting live.
For the past several hours, Chicago has been devastated by a massive blizzard that has dropped 10 feet of snow so far. Mayor Daley is urging people not to leave their homes and fears that cars get stranded without the possibility of rescue. The storm will likely reach northwest Indiana within the next hour or so. Make sure you have plenty of water and food since this blizzard will most likely be around for several days. Expect wind gusts up to 50+ miles per hour.
Water, bread, milk, beer, and candles.
What are things people buy when they're panicking about a snowstorm?
Jack, that is correct.
The city has officially closed down Valpo. We are stranded here for the time being. We could be stuck at which way for days.
Chief J. Strong Grip in trouble. Customers bought all of coffee. There is no coffee in store at all.
How can this get any worse?
Who wants to spend time with the old guy?
Jack, the weather people say that the blizzard will be dropping snow on us for at least a week. They also said to expect power outages.
Oh no!
Not again!
We're about to do Jedi, aren't we?
If we wanted to change the channel, we had to get up and turn the dial. If we wanted to send a message, the operator typed it in Morse code. If we needed land, we stole it from the Native Americans.
Derek, I can't handle his stories anymore. Why don't you kill him with the Sword of Owens? I don't think Jaga will mind. Snarf, snarf.
Coffee. Must have coffee. There is no coffee. No coffee. Must have coffee. Yeah, coffee, please.
There, Chief. You can't always have tea.
Our more ACST show was the Dick Van Dyke Show. If you wanted to see something vulgar, you'd either watch All in the Family or The Honeymooners.
God, please shut him up. I don't think I could take it anymore. Have him die or give him mutism or something. I don't think I can handle another word about the past.
I am Derek aboard. Resistance is futile. You will join the Whichway staff and stock shells for us.
Derek, wake up! You're saying weird things in your sleep. You're scaring us all.
The chief dreamt that he was in Starbucks last night, drinking lots of coffee. Now I wake up, no coffee. What is up with that?
You know, there's a Starbucks in the parking lot, and they probably still have coffee. Unfortunately, it's closed right now, and there's a gigantic snowdrift between us and it.
During the Depression, we mixed mud with water. That was our coffee.
3 hours later!
We found him sticking out of the snow halfway towards Starbucks.
Quick, get a picture with me with the frozen chief. That would make a perfect profile picture on Facebook.
So, how long do you think it will take for the chief to thaw out?
Probably not for many, 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 many moons.
The blizzard is over. The plows have cleared the parking lot. Starbucks is open again.
Coffee!